Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. I'm feeling really good today, and I'm gonna jump right into the video, not doing too much extra talking and extra rambling on about nothing. From the title, you can see that I'm reviewing some super duper cheap, affordable beauty supply store synthetic hair. And I am thoroughly impressed, for the most part, to say the least. So if you want to hear the details about the hair, how much it costs, where I got it, the brand, all that good stuff, and also see me install this hair, make sure you stay tuned to the video. So this hair is the Model Gardenia Mastermix synthetic hair, and I have 3 bundles in the inches of 22. All of them were 22 inches, and I got it in the color 1, which is jet black. I got this hair from my local beauty supply store, and it cost me about maybe $30 and some change. The hair was like $9.99 per bundle. Super duper cheap. I did fit all 3 bundles in my head. I have a really small head, and I did fit all 3 of the bundles in my head. I had a little bit of the last bundle left over, so definitely recommend getting 3 bundles if you want a full look. If you like a more natural, less dense look, then just get 2. 2 can work out if you space your tracks far enough apart, but I recommend getting 3 just to be on the safe side. And it's only $9.99, so ladies, we can afford to get 3, 4, 5 of them if we want. Synthetic. And let me just say that I absolutely hate straight synthetic hair. I don't care what brand it is. I don't care how they make it. I don't care what they say they mixed it with. I just hate synthetic straight hair. I love synthetic curly hair and wavy hair, but when it comes to straight hair, just for me, I just feel like it looks the least natural. Like no matter what you do to it, you can't make it look like virgin hair. You can't make it look like, you know what I'm saying, real human hair. It just looks fake to me, like Barbie doll hair. And yes, this hair does have that look, but I am impressed. Okay, I am very much so impressed with the way this came out. Synthetic hair is not meant to last in it's not meant to wear every single day, all day, like you would human hair or virgin hair. And this particular hair is not meant to last that long. It's $9.99, so you're getting what you pay for. But with good proper care and wrapping it up at night and not putting too hot of heat on it, I think you can get some good use out of this hair. So for starters, I got 22 inches. I am 5'5", and this is where the hair stops on me. It's like right above my hip area. I wore hair to 22 inches is the longest I would go, especially with synthetic hair. I didn't even want to get a 22 inch, but that's all they had at my local beauty supply store. This hair comes in different colors and textures, the brand. I know they have like 613 blonde, they have burgundy, they have like a bronze color. They have plenty of colors, so you can go to the local beauty supply store and try to, you know, look and see what you like. They have different inches. At my local beauty supply store, I saw they had, the shortest inch I saw they had was a 14 inch, and then it went up to 22. I actually think, no, this hair goes with the 30 inch, actually. That's too long for me. Shout out to y'all out there who like 30 inches. I can't do it. I can't do it, okay? Hair just dragging everywhere, especially if it's synthetic. Just, no. So I literally just finished installing my hair. I do have a leave out. I have the middle part. I did a quick weave with minimum leave out. I have minimum leave out, very minimum, because I knew that it was synthetic hair, and I knew that, well, for one, I did minimum leave out because I don't want heat damage on my hair. For 2, I did minimum leave out because this is synthetic hair, so I'm like, let me not leave too much of my own natural hair out, so that way it can blend a lot easier. And it blended amazingly. Like, tell me where you see my hair at. Where you see my hair stop and start. If you can point it out. I mean, you can probably point it out because that piece. Oh, my earring. Hold on. Sorry. Let me put my earring back in, y'all. Gotta be cute. Minimum leave out. And you can't really tell where my hair starts or stops unless I pull it out. So my hair, my leave out is like probably about right there. My leave out is right here. But for the most part, y'all, I am very happy. The hair does not shed a lot. It shedded. Actually, it didn't shed at all until I installed it and I cut my wefts. That's when it started shedding, but that's normal. When you cut your wefts, your hair is going to shed. But for me to cut my wefts, the hair does not shed like that much at all. I'm pleasantly surprised. It's crazy how it doesn't shed that much. Again, I just installed it today. It's the first day, so you know everybody's hair is beautiful the first day. Tangles, it does tangle because it's synthetic, but a quick little finger comb, tangles is gone. Let me show y'all the hair. Go to the back, because I hate hair reviewers do not show the back of their heads like sis. We want to see everything. Let me make sure if there's a kink back there, I'm going to try to get it out to the best of my ability. Hopefully there ain't no kinks. As you can see, the hair is smooth. It reminds me of a yaki type of texture. Like if you were to get your hair relaxed. And yeah, here's how it moves. Yeah, y'all. Go get this. Okay, this hair is perfect if you would need something, you don't have time to order hair, your favorite hair girl ain't got no hair in stock. This will do you for the night. Okay, if you want something quick and temporary so you can look cute, this will get you right. Like I said, I personally know, I know hair, so I can tell if it's synthetic or not. I can tell if it's synthetic by just looking at it. But for people, you know, who ain't looking at you too hard, they staring too hard, it still look good even though it's synthetic, like y'all. So yeah. So as far as the look goes, I definitely recommend purchasing this for the look and the feel and the price. You can't go wrong. I am going to wear this hair for probably about a week. I'm not going to keep it in that long because it's synthetic and I have a love-hate relationship with straight synthetic hair. But I'm going to come back and let y'all know how the hair held up after maybe a week or so. But that's going to be in a separate video because this is going out this weekend. So yeah, y'all, if you want to see the rest of the video to see how I installed it, my quick weave, it's very quick. It's not a thorough tutorial because I have like 3 videos. I have so many quick weave videos up already. I'm going to link the cards if you want to see a detailed quick weave tutorial. This is just going to be me showing you put the hair in and how it acted and all that other good stuff. So stay tuned to the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you want to get see more of my videos. I hope you guys are staying safe. I hope you guys are staying prayed up. Please pray for everybody in the world. See y'all in the next video. Love you guys. Stay beautiful and stay blessed.
thought I needed. So I thought I needed.